Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can download the Proton Mail on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the App Store, and after opening the App Store, we have to search the Proton Mail here. So I'm going to search for the Proton. We have to click on this Proton Mail, and after that, as you can see, you will be able to see this option here. So we have to click on the Get, and then we have to wait for a few seconds, and I'm going to verify this. And now we have to click on this and we have to open. If you want to check out the details about this app, like the rating is 4.6 and the age is 4 years old, pillars can use it, and the category is productivity, developer is Proton, age, language and size. These all things are provided here. You can check out some screenshots as well, and after that you will be able to see this. So as you can see, now it's downloading. In few seconds it will be downloaded. So in this way you can download the Proton Mail on your iPhone. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.